Bifurcations and fractals are very easy to understand. Anything that splits apart into two is a bifurcation. If these arms bifurcate again and again, they become the fractals. The basic principle that governs the initial bifurcation also applies to the fractals as well. This chapter explains the basic rules governing a bifurcated system, and they are essential for comprehending this theory. When a system is infused with a steady stream of energy, then beyond a certain threshold, it splits apart into two bifurcated fields. These bifurcated fields have completely opposing characteristics, so much so that they barely even acknowledge each other. All bifurcated systems function as single integrated entities. All integrated systems require a constant infusion of energy for its sustenance. When a bifurcated field is no longer able to adequately process the energy, it can bifurcate over and over again, and these secondary bifurcations become the fractals. All bifurcations reveal hidden characteristics of the previous field. In every integrated system, each of the two bifurcated arms function in a dominant or subdominant state. Once you learn to see bifurcations, you'll see them everywhere. The most obvious bifurcation in our experience is the gender distinction between masculine and feminine. However, at the root of all bifurcations lies the bifurcation between singularity and the structured universe as it unfolds from one universe to the next and the next. After the Big Bang, the initial bifurcation in the universe is between the two basic substances that comprise the universe, one being the substance of matter and the other being the substance of space. We can find bifurcations at the most fundamental level of matter, which is the quark, and it comes in two flavors, the up quark and the down quark. Our DNA is composed of four bases, G, C, T, and A, which form a set of bifurcated nucleic acids. Our consciousness, too, is bifurcated at multiple levels, such as our cognitive consciousness and our emotional consciousness, or our energetic consciousness. I'm going to talk a lot about consciousness in this theory, what it is, where it is generated, and how it informs us. The entire evolutionary process of how we arrived here at our current stage from microbial origins is all about a systematic transformation of consciousness through a whole series of bifurcations, as we can see from these cladograms. Once you learn to see bifurcations, you'll see them everywhere. Fractal bifurcation is a fundamental pattern in the universe which can be found in all existence. When this basic self-repeating pattern is applied to the universe, it has the ability to explain all aspects of the universe, from the Big Bang to consciousness to the origin of life, from a completely original perspective.